how you can save a chat in a Zoom meeting. So all you need to do is to just join or create a new meeting. I'm gonna create one here, and once you are here, we want to open chat. So down here is the chat section. You can click it, and this is the chat of this meeting. So you can type here, hey everyone, and some text. And once it's here and you want to save it, you need to click these three dots to open more and click save chat. Once your chat is saved, here you can click show in Finder and it's gonna open it to you, and this is basically it. If you cannot find it, it's under documents, the Zoom folder, the meeting, and if you open this chat, this is the actual transcript of the chat which you saved in your Zoom meeting. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and just let me know, and see you next time.